Hey, good morning, guys. Y'all gonna have to forgive my hair because I just woke up. I had plans to go and get me a stamp today so I can mail off my letter and stuff so I can at least already had it mailed off. But the rain said otherwise, and I don't know if y'all could really hear it. I'm gonna see if I can kind of, well, I don't think I can show y'all, but see if I can go out here and kind of. Y'all hear that? And then a lady singing in the rain. I mean, I could still walk to the store and go get my stamp, but I don't know how bad it actually is, so I'm gonna brush my teeth and then just try to see. Hopefully get a little break in between. But yeah, I'm gonna just brush my teeth and brush up my hair and see if I can just run out there and go get my stamp and come on back to the house. But we gonna see how bad it really is raining. If I can just walk out the umbrella and come on back. But yeah, I just came to say good morning and tell y'all that. Bye, y'all.